Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, thank you for stopping by, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos. And in today's video, we're making potato pancake. And now I'm grating the potato. Here I'm using like the smallest side of the grater to grate the potato. And let me know in the comment section where you guys are watching from, and tell me also in the comment section if you ever had a potato pancake, and how do you like your potato pancake. And if you're watching and you haven't as yet subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Remember to give this video a like, share with your friends, family, and be part of this family. Why not? Continue watching what the four potatoes look like after grating. So basically this is what it looks like. So now to the onion, the crying session. Guys, let me know in the comment section what I can do to not cry when like cutting the onion. Now I'll grate the onion and 100% I'll be crying. I tried sprinkling salt, but it didn't work, or maybe I didn't do it properly. So let me know down in the comment section how I can cut the onion without crying. Okay guys, I'm finished the crying session. We're breaking the onion. We will strain off the excess water from the potato. Okay, this is all the water that came out from the potato. Now I'll go in with one egg, bit of black pepper, some salt, just a little bit more salt, some flour. Here I have a quarter cup of flour, so I'll just sprinkle a little bit of the flour and then give it a mix, and then if there's need for more flour, then I'll add it in. Okay, so I'll add a little bit more of the flour. I don't think I'll use the whole quarter cup, so it's more like 2 tablespoons of flour I'll be using. Give it a good mix. Now let's get frying. Okay guys, so this is the final look of my potato pancake. I served it with a little sour cream, so now it's tasteless. Let's see if you will hear the crunch. So this is what the inside is looking like. Nicely done. Crispy edges. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you haven't as yet subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.